Hi, my name's Stuart. I'm a sales rep for Parts Europe, and I've been with Parts Europe for 10 years in March. What I wanted to speak to you today about was where Parts Europe are, what they do for the dealer, and how we end up for the end consumer. Parts Europe is a sister company to Parts Unlimited, so we are world renowned for carrying the largest books in the motorcycle industry, or in fact actually the power sports industry. Because we're in Europe, we're now looking at the scooter market is massive. You look in Milan, you look in Paris, you look in Rome, you look in London. These are major cities where traffic is a major problem. So these guys like to work on scooters, ride the scooters. New for 2019 is a new scooter catalogue. As you can see, it's a dedicated scooter catalogue, and it's full of lots and lots of products for you guys and the dealers to get their hands on to sell to the end consumer, and the goodies are just really good. If we just take a quick look around this bike here, you can see that we've got handlebar grips from world famous companies like Gillies. Here we've got the reservoir covers from Gillies too, a nice bit of anodizing around the top there. Something that I'd like to also focus on, which is a very important part of any motorcycle, is the exhaust system. Now here at Parts Europe, we're proud to partner with Arrow Exhausts, world famous in MotoGP, world famous in World Superbikes, and obviously make high quality exhaust systems. So as you can see here, we've got a nice Arrow exhaust on this scooter, among many other goodies this time. So as I said, the scooter market for us is big. It's a big part of our business. And again, we're working on something like this, which is going to give the dealer lots and lots of information and lots of products, to sell to the end consumer.